That's right, guys. FOMO buying is a really bad idea. You will never walk away with money if you do that. And what happened recently in the markets, the Trump and dump candle, right? Where we had a massive pump to the upside. The next day we had a massive dump to the downside. And now we're even lower than before this pump candle. And a lot of people are losing money, right? And I take the opportunity to take this to educate you about what happened, why people lose money, how to avoid it, how to take advantage of it, okay, and actually walk away with money, right? The solution is pretty simple, but first you need to understand the issue, okay, and why a lot of people fall for this stuff. And I do still hope that this video is not just relevant for right now, but forever, because this stuff can happen anytime, okay? So I will put this video in my algo trading knowledge playlist because it's knowledge that is evergreen, okay? So with all of that in mind, this is not financial advice. Crypto is risky. You can lose all of your money, but that is why you subscribe to this channel. You like this video as well. You watch more of my videos to get educated. This is a fully educational channel, right? And then you have better chances of success. We're all about algorithmic trading for the long term, making money slowly. Okay, that's what actually works. All right. With all of that in mind, let's get started. So going to the chart, you will see this is the Gaussian channel strategy, right? I have a video up there. I will put it up here actually on the top right corner. You can check it later, but this is a free strategy. Everyone can use it, okay? And I will use this strategy, by the way. I will use this strategy to show you how easy it would have been to avoid all of these losses fully automatically, okay? By just sticking to this simple free available strategy, okay? And you can compare with your own performance and with your own emotional roller coaster that you have went through in the last couple of weeks and the last couple of days as well, right? So I do hope still that this video will be evergreen because this can happen anytime, okay? In crypto, this can happen anytime, and you should always, always, always avoid FOMO buying, okay? It's also called chasing. So don't chase something, okay? If you're not already invested, right? Don't chase it because you will 100%, well, 99.9% lose money doing that. And let me show you how easy it was to avoid. And yes, I'm a bit, a bit more like shouting at you because I want to make sure it goes into your mind, okay? Like, okay, so I have the Gaussian channel strategy. We're on Bitcoin. We're on the one-day chart, Bitcoin, USD, one-day index chart, okay? And check this out, guys. Not only the strategy sold over here, so you have avoided all of these losses here, right? Because this is the last sell signal. You have avoided 16.7% on Bitcoin drawdown. And also, there was no reason to buy this Trump and pump candle because you would have lost money 99% of the time because wherever you buy this candle, now it's lower. Like, okay, I mean, I'm sorry, but you're not going to make money with this, okay? So if you had any FOMO and you bought this, then you don't know what you're doing and you should be continuing to listen to this video, okay? The strategy did the right thing. And let me give you another thing that I heard in our Telegram group, link down below. We help people there, right? So people said, hey, I set up the automation like a couple of days before, like for example here, right? And there was this massive pump of like 9.5%, okay? And there was no buy signal. Is it working? Is it not working? Is it broken? What's happening, right? So well, nothing is happening. It's perfect. You should not get a buy signal. It's useless, okay? It actually even looks funny if you really look at it, but anyway, so the buy signal can only come above this line, okay? And there was no buy signal. And let me go to Ethereum to show you pretty much the same thing, okay? If you started automating anytime after this sell signal, right? You started automating here, 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 or here, wherever, okay? There was no buy signal. So it's okay, right? Because why would you buy? It's useless. Like there is no opportunity here, mate, okay? So after the after the sell signal, the protection was for 37%, okay? That means that your portfolio, if you didn't sell, right? If you didn't follow the strategy, is down 37%, and you could have had this money, okay, to buy lower whenever the buy signal comes, right? But no, if you didn't follow, right, you just lost a lot of money, right? So let me remove these squiggles. Let's go to Solana, right? Same strategy all the time, same strategy, not changing any parameters, anything at all. Here was the last sell signal, okay? What was the protection there? The protection was 35% of your portfolio is still in your wallet or on your exchange, which you can use to buy. But because you didn't sell, right, now you can't buy because you don't even have money to buy with, okay, because you didn't sell before. I mean, what are you doing, right? Let's go to Avalanche to see what happened there. And Avalanche is even worse because, well, it didn't perform that great. So there was a sell signal here, right? And since that sell signal, the protection was for 48%, almost 50% of your holdings, right? gone down the drain. Okay, it's gone, right? Because you didn't sell, and you could have had this money now fresh to buy lower whenever the signal comes, right? You don't know where this is going. I mean, this can be pretty much going like into a bear market. You don't know, right? And that's the whole point of basically sticking to a strategy, because you don't know what the future will bring. Okay, so the next situation in SUI, I can go anywhere basically. The next situation is in SUI. The sell signal was here, and the protection was for 46% of your portfolio, mate. I mean, come on, like, tell me that this is not much better, right, than FOMO buying and trading every day and trying to figure out what is happening. Just follow the signals. Like, it's much better outcome in the end. And you have more time in your life to do other things, okay? Maybe to learn trading or maybe to do other things, completely different things, right? Because trading might not be for you, right? I mean, you can automate it, that's fine, but manual trading is very hard, okay? Fetch AI, right? Let's look at Fetch AI last, because this is also very interesting. So Fetch AI had a sell signal up here, and Fetch AI is down now 63%, mate. Okay, if you didn't sell your Fetch AI, I'm really sorry. I have to put a graphic here of a tombstone or something. Like, I'm sorry, mate. Like, it's bad, okay? And a lot of people are very bullish on Fetch. I'm also bullish on it, but it doesn't mean that I have to stick to this stupid drawdown and experience this. I want to get out and get back in whenever there is a good buy signal. Even if I buy any time below this line, I'm better than if you didn't sell. I'm just saying, it's so simple, right? Even if I buy like, here, I'm better than you guys, right? If you didn't sell at that line, okay? So, and the buy signal is not gonna come here, right? It's gonna be somewhere here or so. So it's definitely better than not selling. And I wanna make sure you fully understand this, okay? Because not selling is like the worst thing you can do. Like the worst thing, because if you don't sell, you don't protect your money. Okay, and then all of that happens to you, right? So FOMO buying is a problem, but also not selling is also a problem, which I will make another video. But if you don't sell, right, because here you are greedy, right? You say, nah, it will go back, it will just bounce and go back up, right? So that is also a problem. But in this video, I want to talk about FOMO buying, and I will make another one for FOMO selling, but both of them matter, okay? So if you don't sell, you don't have more money to buy with on the bottom. It's just useless, okay? And all of these fake moves up and down, right? They are just here to lose your money. And I understand it went above the trend lines. It looked very bullish, but listen, who cares, right? If you lose money because you made the wrong decision, then it's better to stick to a strategy that is proven to work, right? I mean, it's so obvious. So really, I hope I can open your eyes with this. So if you have started automation in the last, let me check actually how long, in the last, let's say, a couple of weeks, basically, like here, maybe 30 days, in the last month, with this strategy, there was no buy signal. Because look at it, right? Why would I buy? It's useless, okay? Like, and you have full access to this strategy, right? It's completely free. You can go to SIGNUM, and in SIGNUM here in strategies, you can give yourself access to this, right? Just go to SIGNUM, click on strategies, click on get access, here, this button, and then put your TradingView username, okay? That's super simple. You go here, you find your username here. This is your username here, this one, yeah? You see? And then you click on give access now, and it will have confetti. Let me click on this, right? It will have confetti like this, and that means you have access now. Scroll down, click on this, right? And then you will arrive on the page of the strategy, and you can add it to your favorites, right? You can add it to your favorites, and then you can go here, you can put it on your chart because it's in your favorites, right? You click on it, boom, it's on your chart, right? You can do exactly what I do in this video. It's very simple, but it's even better than that. It's even better than that because actually I have made a full video about this particular strategy, how it works, how to automate it step by step, everything very simple, and it's up here. Okay, it's a very popular video, really. Check it out. Well, it's not my most popular. My most popular video has 1 million views, which is crazy. I'm so happy about. Anyway, this is a good video. Check it out. So if you want to simply follow a strategy that is very easy to understand what it's doing, right? It's just buying above the line and selling below the line. I mean, it's so simple. I mean, like, right? And that simple approach makes money, right? You see, on Bitcoin, it makes 2,500% profit since 2018. On Ethereum, well, on Ethereum is not the best, but still, it makes money, right? And on Solana, it makes 18,000% profit, right? On Avalanche, it makes 4,600. On Sui, it makes 600 something, which is great for this new asset, right? On Fetch AI, it makes 11,000%. Listen, like, What else do you need, guys? Okay, like it's fully automatic. It makes more money than most of you guys. You can save your time, save your emotions. I don't know, like I really like, let me know down in the comments why it's so hard to follow a simple strategy like that. And especially when you see what is happening in the market now and how hard it is to predict anything, it should open your eyes, right? And show you, hey, I follow the strategy. It's much better. It's a no-brainer. Let's do it, right? Okay, not financial advice, blah, you know, it's still risky. You can lose all of your money. Don't sue me, bro, right? But I'm just giving you logical arguments of thinking about, do you perform better than this strategy? Or did you perform better, like compared to this strategy in the last couple of weeks or months? Like, let's go here, Bitcoin, right? Or actually FetchAI, it's the worst, even worse example. But anyway, so did you perform better than this strategy, okay? Did you make money in this time here? Or did you actually lose money during the last 30 days, especially during the last 3-4 days? Because if you lost money, right? If you lost money, then you should have used this strategy, right? Logically speaking, like I'm just putting arguments on the table, right? You can do whatever you like, okay? But just logically thinking about this, if you lost nerves, you know, you were very emotional, you had to cancel meetings, you were shouting at your wife or your partner, whatever, at your children because of that, you are losing any sort of money, then it's better to use this strategy and to just fully automate it and call it a day, okay? And just let it happen, to do other things with your life. And I really hope I'm able to convince you to actually think about this, right? Because I don't mind if you do it or not. I don't care. Like it's really, I just want to open your eyes. I'm here to educate people, right? About the simplicity of doing less to make more. Okay, and because I just reminded myself about this, I want to tell you an anecdote or like an analogy also, yeah? Where as humans, right, as humans, we think that if we do more, it's actually better. But it's not correct in all the cases, right? Especially not in our modern world. So why do we think that more is better? Is because if you put more crops into the field, right, into the earth, then you have more yield, right? You can collect more apples or more carrots or God knows what you put in there, right? And that's cool. It makes total sense, right? And it's logical. But in the modern world, and especially in trading and investing, both, less is better, okay? You know why? Because the whole industry, the whole financial industry is trying to get your money with multiple magical tricks, right? One of them is trading fees, okay? So the more you trade, the more you pay them. And so you have less, right? So you trade less is better for you, right? The more leverage you take, you pay them, right? So you have less to trade with. The more they make you buy and sell quickly, right? Because they fake you into a trade like the Trump pump, right? And then boom, get out again because oops, right? Was a bad idea. You have less money to trade. You just lost money, okay? So you have to avoid the financial industry's tricks, okay? And I have another video about that here, why lower time frames are pretty bad. And I also talk about other related things there. And so how the financial industry is basically making you do the wrong thing because you're doing the normal human thinking and they are taking advantage of you, okay? And that is why, listen, I mean, I really hope this video can open your eyes. I didn't edit much, right? I just want to make sure you have it as fast as possible. I hope you like this kind of format. I'm just going bananas and hopefully opening your brain to new ideas. But if I was able to inspire you a little bit, right? And you want to look at automation and you need a strategy and you need a tool to automate with to get the results I just showed you before, then this is the next video you should watch.
It's trading.